Find the general solution for the given differential equation w double prime plus 4w prime plus 6w equals 0. So in this situation they replaced y, which is what we typically use, with w, but that doesn't really change anything. So we need to create our auxiliary equation, or characteristic equation, where r, or m, will equal the amount of derivatives being taken on the variable. So w double prime is r squared. We keep the coefficients the same, and w single prime is just r, and w with no prime is just 6, equal 0. You'll quickly come to find that you can't easily factor this and solve for r, so we're going to have to use the quadratic formula that we all know, where a equals 1, b equals 4, and c equals 6. So fortunately, b is even, so we can use the special b prime, where it's equal to b over 2, which is 4 over 2, and that's just 2. And that will change this formula, simplifying it a little bit, to minus b prime plus minus square root of b prime squared minus ac over a. You don't have to do this, you can just plug in the normal variables in here, but this shortens it by like one step. So plugging in all the variables, we have minus b prime, so minus 2, plus minus square root of minus 2 squared is 4, minus ac, 1 times 6, over a, which is just 1, and that equals minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 6 is negative 2, over 1. And we end up having the root r equal to negative 2 plus minus I rad 2. And to put it in proper format, it would technically be minus 2 plus minus rad 2 times I, where if we have a complex root, it will take the general form of alpha plus minus beta I, where beta is the coefficient of I. And we can clearly see that alpha equals negative 2, the real component, and beta is the coefficient of just rad 2. And we'll plug this into our y homogeneous formula, or you can also call it w homogeneous if you want. I like sticking with y. And this equals e to the alpha t times c1 cosine of beta t plus c2 sine of beta t. We have all we need to plug this in, so y homogeneous equals e to the negative 2t times c1 cosine of rad 2t plus c2 sine of rad 2t once more. And that's our answer. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below, and good luck.